Smart Hydroponics Growing System for Indoor Garden Review. Smart Hydroponics Growing System for Indoor Garden, E-SUPEREGROW Hydroponic Gardening System with Smart Timer Pump Large Self-Watering Planter with 60 Trellis for Cucumber Tomato Herd Peppermint. Smart Hydroponic System. Our hydroponic gardening system can grow super as pictures. It is not an indoor hydroponic grow concept, but also a real growing miracle. Built-in pump with timer for good water circulation to increasing oxygen to support super growth. Self-watering and waterless auto remind makes planting much easier. Put the unit where could get direct sunshine, you could grow all year indoor season free. It's a good gardening gifts for women, patent, and kids. Easy to use. Compared with pipes or other products, our indoor hydroponic system is smart and easy. Simple assembly and disassembly, just add the water and fertility when it reminds you, no need to take much care, anyone can be a good gardener, even the beginners. Easy, clean, safe, convenient. Suitable for anywhere indoor where could get direct sunshine, it is important, or 48W LED grow light, home, kitchen, closed balcony, office, hotel, and restaurant, would work for big pots of microgreens as well. Excellent water circulation. The hydroponic kit with double layer structure design, the water tank and the planting groove are separated, which is conducive to air circulation and makes the unit to be a larger water circulation system, provides more oxygen to plants, and makes them grow better. Compare with the single layer product, you don't need to worry about damage the pump and water circulation when the roots are too large. Ideal for vegetables, melons, and fruit. Super Harvest. The indoor garden germination kit with 3 big pots, the 2-layer design provides enough oxygen and the large root will not damage to the pump and water circulation. Good conditions for plants, not only basil, lettuce, coriander, mint, but also can grow the large crop like tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers, eggplants. The vegetables can grow faster and you can get good experience and have fun with them. High quality material. Food grade ABS material, corrosion resistant, not easy to crack, non-toxic, and safe. Planting happily and enjoy the fruits of the harvest. Using submersible pumps, compared with air pumps, higher quality, longer lifespan, and works quieter. Please follow link in the description to get best price today.